If you have been thinking about learning web development, or you have already started, you have probably heard something like AI is replacing developers, coding jobs are dying, soon no one will hire programmers to make websites. And honestly, that can feel scary, because now you are wondering, am I wasting my time? Should I even stop learning this? But here is the truth. AI is not killing web development. It is changing it. And if you understand how to adapt early, you can actually move faster than most people. In this video, I'm going to break down what AI is really doing in web development, what is changing and what is not changing, and most importantly, how you as a beginner, you can still succeed. Let's get into it. Let's first understand what AI is actually doing and what AI cannot do. AI is not magic. AI is just a tool, a very powerful tool, but still a tool. Right now, AI can write code very fast, suggest solutions, fix simple bugs, generate full templates, explain concepts instantly. So yes, things that used to take hours can now take minutes. That's real. But here is what most people don't tell you. AI does not actually understand what it's doing. It predicts patterns. It doesn't think like a human. For example, you can ask AI to build a website and it will give you something that looks good. But if you ask, why is this feature important? How does this solve a business problem? What should we improve for users? AI struggles because those are human decisions. So here is the key idea. AI can write code, but it doesn't understand problems. And web development, at its core, is about solving problems. Let's first understand how web development is changing. Before AI, developers had to memorize syntax, write everything from scratch, search endlessly on Google. It was slow and sometimes frustrating. But now, everything is fast. You don't need to memorize everything anymore. You don't need to know every syntax by heart. Instead, the most important skill is now knowing what to build and how to think, not just how to code. Let me explain this more. Before, good developers were those ones who knew a lot of coding. Now, good developers are those who know how to solve problems using AI tools. That's a big shift. Another big change is this. The barrier to entry is lower. More people can now start coding, which means competition is increasing. But here is a twist. Most people will still fail. Why? Because they rely too much on AI without understanding anything. They copy, paste, and hope it works. And when something breaks, they are stuck. So the opportunity is still there for people who do things the right way. Also understand how junior developers can win in this era of AI. This is the most important part of this video. If you are a beginner or just starting out, here is exactly how you can succeed. 1. Learn how to think, not just what to type. Don't focus on how do I write this code. Ask yourself, why am I writing this code? What problem does this solve? Because AI can generate code, but it cannot replace your thinking. 2. Use AI as a tool, not a crush. AI should help you learn faster, debug faster, build faster, but don't depend on it blindly. If AI gives you code, read it, break it down, understand it, because if you don't understand it, you don't own it. And most importantly, before diving into this, you should have the basics of most of the programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python. Focus on real projects. Stop building only tutorial projects. Start building things like a website for a local shop, a school system, a simple booking system. Even if it's small, it teaches you real problems and how real users communicate with your website. And that's what companies and clients care about. 4th, target local opportunities. This is very important. A lot of beginners think I need to get clients online. But the truth is, your first opportunity is probably offline. Look around you. Shops, churches, schools, small businesses, many of them don't even have a website, or they have a bad one, and that's your opportunity. Fifth, learn communication skills. This is what separates average developers from successful ones. You need to learn how to talk to clients, how to understand needs, how to explain your ideas. Because even if AI can write code, clients still want someone who understands them. Sixth, be consistent. You don't need to be the smartest, you need to show up every day. Spare some time, some few hours a day of coding. Keep learning, keep building. Because most people quit early. If you stay consistent, you automatically move ahead. Before we continue, if you find this simple information important, don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and also to like. Let's be honest. AI is changing things. Some jobs will disappear, some roles will change, expectations are higher. That's real, but opportunities are also increasing, because now you can build faster, you can learn faster, you can start with less. So it's not about whether AI is good or bad, it's about, are you adapting or not? Because the people who will still struggle are not beginners, it's the people who refuse to change. So let me leave you with this. AI is not your competition. Your competition is people who are using AI better than you. If you learn how to use it properly while still building real skills, you'll be ahead. I'm currently learning web development myself, and I've so far learned it for 2 years. And I'm documenting everything step by step. So if you want to grow, to learn, and actually succeed in this field, make sure to subscribe and join me on my journey. Let's build and grow together. Now that we have talked about mindset and strategy, let's get practical for a moment. Because a lot of people say use AI, but they don't actually show you how to use it effectively. So let me break it down in a very simple way. Use AI to speed up learning. Instead of spending hours stuck on one concept, you can ask AI things like, explain this in simple terms. Give me an example. Break this down step by step. This saves your time. But remember, speed without understanding is dangerous. So always take a moment to actually process what you are learning. Secondly, use AI for debugging. When your code breaks, don't panic. Instead, copy your error, ask AI to explain it, ask AI how to fix it, but don't stop there. Read the explanation, try to understand why the error happened, because debugging is one of the most important skills you can develop. Thirdly, use AI to improve your code. After writing your code, you can ask, how can I improve this? Is there a better way to write this? Can you optimize this code? This helps you learn best practices faster. What not to do with AI? This is very important. Avoid this habit. Copy, paste, run, move on. Because this creates a false sense of progress. You feel like you are building, but you are not actually running. And later, it will catch up with you, and you will not be able to debug it. Let's also talk about the mistakes, because avoiding these alone can put you ahead of many people. Mistake 1, relying too much on AI. If you cannot code without AI at all, that's a problem, because in real situations, you might need to think independently, you might need to solve something AI can't handle well. So, balance is the key. Mistake 2, skipping fundamentals. Some beginners jump straight into frameworks, advanced tools, complex projects. Without understanding HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics, this creates weak developers. But your foundation first, then you try to speed up things with AI. The third mistake is not building anything real. Watching tutorials is not enough. You need to build, break things, fix them. That's where real programming happens. The fourth mistake is comparing yourself too much. You will see people online building fast, showing perfect projects, acting like experts. Don't let that discourage you. Everyone is on a different journey. Focus on your progress. At the end of the day, AI is just a tool, a powerful one, but still a tool that needs a developer in coordination. People who know how to use tools replace those who do not know. So instead of being afraid, be curious. Instead of avoiding it, learn how to use it properly. Instead of rushing, focus on building real skills, because the future of web development is not about humans versus AI, it's about humans with AI. And if you position yourself correctly right now, you can be part of that future. If you find this video helpful and it has helped you understand something and you want to see real growth, not just theory, then make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be sharing my learning, my real projects, my real experiences, and how I'm navigating through it in the era of AI. No fluff, just real progress. Let's build together. Let's grow together.